Hi friends, I'm back again with a delicious Sri Lankan curry dish. First soak the soya meat in hot water for 10 minutes. Drain and squeeze out the excess water. Heat some oil and lightly fry the soya meat until golden brown. Then salt, onions, garlic, cinnamon, ginger, tomatoes and green chilies and curry leaves too. Add a little sugar, toss everything together and cook until well coated. Just like that, your spicy flavorful soya bean curry is ready to enjoy. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Give it a try.